everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Scotty James, and this is the Hellraisin Hellraiser, my 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack Widebody. This channel will be all about raising hell and having fun in the Hellraisin Hellraiser. We'll be going to car shows, car meets, car cruises. I'll be showing you maintenance, tips and tricks, and just pretty much my everyday life with the Scat Pack Challenger. Today I'd like to give you a little tour of the car, kind of show you around it, get you a little familiar with it. Let's check it out. Let's talk about the options that I got on this car. We'll start with the exterior. The wide body gets you the fender flares. It gets you the adjustable three-way suspension with street, sport, and track modes. The wide body Scat Pack also has the stiffest springs of all the Challengers, so you have the stiffest suspension. You also get the 20-inch by 11 wheels, the 305, 35, 20 Pirellis. You can get the P0 all seasons like I got, or you can also get the summer tires. You also get the 6-piston Brembo brakes up front. As you see, I got the red calipers. And you get the 4-piston Brembos out back, which also come on the standard Scat Pack. I also opted for the carbon black wheels, which I believe last year were only available on the Hellcat. So that was a new option for 2020. I also got the SRT rear spoiler. The standard Scat Pack spoiler has a Scat Pack emblem on the right rear of the spoiler. The SRT spoiler does not get that emblem, which is fine with me because I really like this spoiler. I like how it blends in with the lines of the car. I think it looks pretty good. Another thing on the exterior, I got the sunroof. It's kind of nice. Power sunroof is always nice to have. Okay, the last thing I can show you on the exterior is I got the windows tinted. I got the Lumar Formula One Stratos tint because they're top of the line tint. It rejects 99% of the UV and IR radiation coming in your car, keeps it nice and cool. I did the whole windshield on 70%. I didn't want to go too dark, and I also got a 15% strip across the top. Another reason I did the windshield is for the heat rejection. Keep the car much cooler than just doing all the sides and the back and not the windshield. And on the sides and back, I got 15%, which is pretty dark. You can still see in the car, but barely. There has to be some light shining in through the windshield to really see well in the car. The sun is shining almost directly in the windshield right now. At night, you can't see in the car. There's not sunlight shining directly in the windshield. It's really hard to see inside the car, which is kind of nice. I do like the way it looks. Alright guys, now we'll pop the hood, check out the engine. Got the hood release right down here. There it is, 392 Hemi, 485 horsepower, 475 foot-pounds of torque. Only model done in the engine so far is oil catch can. Got it from Speed Logics. Thought they had the best quality for the price, and they actually would ship it to you in a reasonable amount of time. I know Billet Technologies probably has a little nicer one, but they were taking a long time to ship at the time I was buying this, so I went with this one. I actually bought it a week before I got the car and put it on the night I brought it home from the dealer. This engine does make the car a lot of fun, that's for sure. I'll probably keep it pretty stock. Might do a tune on it one day. I don't want to do anything right now to avoid my warranty. I know mods are fun. Yeah, I might change my mind in the future, but right now that's my plans. You guys have probably seen these engines a million times, so let's go check out the interior and I'll show you what options I got in there. Alright, we'll give you a little once over of the interior and then I'll talk about the options I got. Alright guys, one thing the Widebody gets you on the interior is the flat bottom steering wheel, which is new for 2020. And it also gives you the performance shift indicator light. As far as other options go, I got the Plus package, which gives you the Scat Pack logo, Napa Alcantara leather seats. And I like having the leather seats, but I like having the suede in the middle. It does have the smooth leather trim on the outside. You also get the ventilated, heated, and cooled front seats. They're pretty nice to have. They come on automatically by temperature. You can also turn them on manually. You also get the premium stitching on the door panels and the dash with the Plus package. Kind of adds a nice touch to the car. Kind of goes all around the instrument panel. You also get the power tilt telescoping steering column, and it's also got a heated steering wheel, which I'm here to tell you gets pretty hot. I turn it off after a minute or two when it comes on because it's just a little too hot for me. I also got the carbon and suede interior package. Gives you carbon fiber instrument panel bezel. I think it adds a real nice touch to the car for sure. Also gives you a carbon fiber insert in the console, which is definitely, I think, better than the plain silver or black pattern they previously gave you. This was a new option for 2020, by the way. It's the first year it's been available. Also gives you a suede headliner. It's kind of a nice touch to the car. I like it. Also got the driver convenience group. Gives you your blind spot and rear cross path detection on the mirrors, so they'll light up if someone's next to you. And also it'll tell you if anybody's behind you when you're backing up. Also with the driver convenience group, you get the high intensity discharge headlamps, which I think are nice. They're the brightest headlights I've ever had on a car, and I really love them. Last thing the driver convenience group gives you is the power multifunction mirrors and manual fold away. Plus they're heated. It's kind of nice. There's controls for the mirror, right and left. You know, I'm a metalhead, so I had to get the Harman Kardon stereo system. Gotta have my jams, man. I think it's well worth it. Pretty good sounding system. It's got 18 speakers, 2 subwoofers in the trunk. Each of those doors is a subwoofer. I got the automatic transmission. It's Torque Flight 8-speed, and it gives you the paddle shifters, manual mode on the shifter. You just push it over to the left, and you can push it forward or back to shift manually. You also get the remote start with the automatic. Press that twice on the key fob and it'll start up. Another thing you get with the automatic transmission is the MDS multi-displacement system that cuts the engine down to 4 cylinders when you're just cruising with light throttle and helps you save gas. That's pretty much it for the interior. All the options I got anyways. Now I'll show you the trunk, which is one of my favorite things on this car. It's so huge. You can see it is a pretty good sized trunk. It's one of my favorite things about this car. It's just huge. I love it. Here's the 2 subwoofers for the Harman Kardon system in the trunk. Of course, you got the trunk mounted battery. And you also have an air pump and inflator system. You get a flat tire, there's a canister of Fix-A-Flat. They don't call it Fix-A-Flat, but it's the Chrysler version of Fix-A-Flat. Damage isn't too bad. The Fix-A-Flat will let you get to a gas station or a tire place to get it fixed. And you know I had to get the plate. Hellraiser. And speaking of the Hellraisin Hellraiser, I really love this Hellraisin color. I don't know how well you guys can see the metal flake in this paint. It really comes out in the sunlight. I really love this color. It's just a beautiful color. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. Just wanted to give you a quick little tour of the Hellraisin Hellraiser. I'll let you know what options I got on it. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And I'll see you guys next time.